Coconut hair masks are great for keeping your hair healthy and shiny. Here's some of the best coconut hair masks that you can try. I'll leave it all in the description as well. Number 1, Coco Eve Like a Virgin Hair Mask. This mask is super popular. It's made with coconut and other natural ingredients. It helps make your hair soft and smooth while also repairing the damage. Number 2, SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Hair Mask. This mask is great for curly hair. It has a coconut oil and hibiscus flower extracts that keeps your curls bouncy and moisturized. Number 3, OGX Coconut Milk Hair Mask. It's creamy and smells wonderful. It helps hydrate your hair and makes it shiny, perfect for dry or damaged hair. Number 4, Moroccanoil Hair Mask. It contains coconut oil too. It's very good at repairing hair and making it strong. Number 5, Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This mask has coconut oil and other natural ingredients that helps restore moisture and makes your hair look healthy. So to use a hair mask, apply it on your hair, leave it for about 30 minutes. You could do 10 to 30 minutes and then rinse it out. So your hair will be feeling amazing.